I am Rajul Karim. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add policies, shipping policy, terms of service, etc. in your Shopify store. First of all, head over the settings. From dashboard, click on settings. After that, here you can find an option which is called policies. Click on policies. Here you can see all of the policies: contact, return and refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy, contact policy. Click on it. I'm going to click on it, return and refund policy. Here you can add your policy. Shopify provides us a template. You can insert it and modify it. Here is the option. You can add, insert it. Click on publish. After that, click on privacy policy. Same. If you want to modify it, you can toggle off it and then modify it. Once you are happy, click the toggle on. Then after that, terms of service, you also get a template. Here. You can insert it or write it from your own. Then I'm going to insert it, publish. You can modify it after inserting. After that, here is shipping policy. Shopify doesn't provide any template for shipping policy. You will have to add your own, or you can write from your own, or you can take help from ChatGPT or other AI tools. Okay, I have already generated from ChatGPT and I'm going to paste it. After that, you can edit or modify it, then publish, and then contact information. Here it's also has an template. Click on it and you will have to, it has taken the information from your store. You can modify it. Once you are happy, click on publish. After completing all the policies, then you will have to show it, and I'm going to show in footer menu. Then click on cross, and then click on content to edit menu or add menus. I will use footer menu 1. Here you can see I have some items I have added previously. I don't need this. I'm going to delete them. I just want to show policies here. Okay, click on add item, and here you can write terms of service. Click on policies. Here you can see the policies options, terms of service. In this way, add all the policies item. Once selected, click on this tick, then click again and add other items. I'm going to type shipping policy. Policies, shipping policy, click on tick. Once all the policies has been added, then click on save. Okay, after that I am going to show, let's show preview. Click on online store, preview, then here you can see all of our policies. In this way you can add policies in your Shopify store. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel.